Hey subscribers, snowy day here in Western Mass. Got Ted outside and Snowshoes in the shop. If you remember the last time I was working on it, I was short one of these washers for the pedal draft seal kit. So in my archives I found one. I also had a new brake pedal, clutch pedal, whichever one, with the rubber still on it. I'm missing it on my clutch. And I'm going to change the oil, so I picked up some zinc additive so I don't wear out my cam. And I also got a copper oil pressure gauge line. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Oh, and I'm going to do something with that speaker I just stuck to the inside of the firewall. I got the pedal draft seal installed and the pedal swapped out, but now I have very little free play in the clutch, so I gotta readjust that. I knew that was gonna happen because before, without that spring and rubber in there, the clutch pedal was further up, so that was taking up the free play. Luckily, clutch adjustment isn't too difficult. Just gotta loosen up this jam nut and then extend the cable just a little bit. I got the clutch cable all adjusted up. It's a good thing I did that because the cable was seized to the clevis, so I took it all apart and put some never seize on it. And now it feels pretty good in the free play department. So I got the copper oil pressure gauge line installed. Ran it up along the valve cover. Looks much better than that stupid curly cube plastic thing. The Dauntless oil filter is in such a terrible location. It's right above the front differential. So I drilled a hole in the bottom of it. Now I'm gonna drill a hole in the top side to vent it. It's going right into my drain pan. Got the oil all changed. I added my zinc additive, called for one whole bottle. So I put that in and should be much happier Jeep. So here's what I came up with to mount that speaker. These two little brackets, they clip into where this seam is, and then that bolt hole bolts to right here. It's pretty rigid. And there it is, all installed. See where it clips onto that seam right there, and bolted through. I think that'll be just fine. It was cheap, quick, and easy. And it looks nice. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe down below for more four-wheeling Jeeps, engines, tractors, you name it, I do it. Till then, I'll catch you later.